In this journey of culinary exploration, the first step is to familiarize oneself with the kitchen. Think of the kitchen as an artist's studio, where the stove is your canvas and the ingredients are your paints. The refrigerator, the pantry, the spices, pots and pans. These are your tools, each with a unique role in creating your masterpiece. Next, understanding your ingredients is of paramount importance. Fresh vegetables, succulent meats, aromatic herbs. Each ingredient brings its unique flavor to the dish. Remember, fresh ingredients are the key to a flavorful meal. Now onto the actual process of cooking. Don't worry, cooking isn't rocket science. It's all about timing and temperature. Whether you're sautéing onions, grilling a steak, or baking a cake, remember that each food item has its own cooking time and temperature. The art of seasoning is another crucial aspect. Salt and pepper are the basic building blocks, but there's a whole world of herbs and spices out there to explore. From the heat of chili to the sweetness of cinnamon, the right seasoning can elevate a dish from ordinary to extraordinary. Lastly, presentation matters. The old saying goes, we eat with our eyes first. So take a moment to arrange the food on the plate, garnish it, and make it look as appetizing as it tastes. To summarize, mastering the kitchen starts with familiarizing yourself with the area and the tools. Next, understand your ingredients and their unique flavors. The actual process of cooking is all about the right timing and temperature. Seasoning is the secret to enhancing the taste, and finally, a well-presented dish is always more appetizing. Cooking is not just about filling our bellies, it's an act of love, a form of expression, and a life skill that every young adult should have. As you venture into the world of cooking, remember, patience, practice, and passion are your best friends. So, roll up your sleeves, fire up the stove, and let the culinary adventure begin.